Ladies, we dey suffer. My people, ladies, they try all in the name of love. Wetin love never do people for this life. Love. They beat one woman. All in the name of marry me, marry me. Now by force to marry. Now by force to marry. I'm not understand. We women, we get problem. We get serious. No, our problem na follow come. We get serious problem. Now so we hear say this girl now 29 years old. Anyway, maybe as age not dey on her side. No go to blame am sha. So she dey date this boy. The relationship they go well. Before you know it now so she carry load move inside man house. How you go move inside man house when man never give you ring? Even your people no even know say una dey. Hey, Jesus Christ. Frustration na bad thing o. Frustration, may you never experience that thing. When person don't frustrate, you fit do anything. She carry load enter man house. Her people don't know, the man people too don't know. Now so she carry load enter, bam. Say, I must marry. As she enter now, so they come they stay. They sleep together. She they cook. You know wetin be our problem, women? We go dey girlfriend state. We don't they act as wives. Who marry you? Everything they do together, and now she they expect me the man put ring for finger. Haba. If they give you plate of food, make you chop, you don't belle full. They go bring another one, you go still chop. No, nah, be the point where they try make now. The man don't chop. You don't overfeed them all round. Different things. And now you want make wait you never see where you want. You don't see you finish. You don't chop your food finish. You know, no difference. So him putting a ring on your finger will not make any change. So there's no need for him to marry you. Now so the girl carry load, enter, they come, they leave, do everything together. Now so one day the girl come tell the man, baby, you've not proposed to me, come and propose. The boy vex. If you see beating where this girl receive, I'm not sure say any artist for this life they design person like that. They beat shake gay come up for this girl body. All in the name of marry me. Now by force. No be by force now. I don't understand. No be by force. Ladies, make una try get sense. Try get sense. They know that I'm anywhere say if you don't marry, you will die. So I don't understand. Make una get sense. I pity am sha. I pity that girl. I pity that girl. Now she don't learn lesson. In her next word, now she go even they reject marriage. No, I come against marriage. Now herself, nobody go tell her anything. Now so it be. When you taste something, nobody go teach you again. So make una learn from this one. Make una learn. Women. No be by force to marry. Learn now. Anyhow, I go leave una here with this one, because this matter, make I know as una dey feel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like this video. As I talked before, my husband feel dey watch, share and make you see me as I know fine. I too fine. Anyhow, I will see you later.